Well, it's another happy day for me here at Red Bud Inn because we just got another package. This would be our third package from ChocZer0. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Alright, we got a re-up on my sugar-free chocolate syrup. ChocZer0 Keto Bark Peppermint, which is a seasonal flavor. Kinda got that on a closeout, so I saved some money on that. I think I saved $1 on that. Peanut butter cups and milk chocolate. Purple candy, haze, and I love this smells upon my face. Purple candy. Peanut butter cups and dark chocolate. Promise me you'll never and leave just 2 more of those. So not quite as much stuff, but really this represents a lot of my favorite stuff that they have to offer. So first thing I want to try is the peppermint keto bark, which should just be chocolate with the mint flavor in it. I don't think it's got nuts or anything else, so this will be a lot more like a regular chocolate bar. Let's see what they look like. Oh, to the bad tear. Purple candy, haze, and I love this way. Smiles upon my face. Purple candy, shadow in the dark. A look of you right through my heart. A warm shadow. See it out in the light where you can see it. So that's the size of it. How many pieces do I get out of the bag? We got that one. We got 2. We got 3. We got 4 and 5. And we got we've got 6. So 6 per bag of the keto bark. Let's open up one of these little wonders and see what it tastes like. I just can't wait. It looks like it's got chunks of peppermint in it. I think that's what I'm seeing. I think I'm seeing dark chocolate with big yummy chunks of peppermint in it. Got a piece up there that looks like a piece of peppermint right there in the corner. Flip it over and it's much more clear what's going on here. So this should get a tactile experience as well as just a flavor experience. Get the feeling of the hard chunks of peppermint in your chocolate. Shattered when I went to take it. It shattered when I went to take a bite of it. Oh yeah, crunchy. And the chocolate's almost crunchy enough by itself, but that peppermint really pops. Oh yeah, that's really good. I guess what I wonder is if the peppermint has
sugar-free sweetening on that, or if it's got a calorie content. So let's take a look. See what the bag says about that. It says 100 calories per serving, with one of the bars being a serving. At this point the camera can see it better than I can. So there you go. My favorite stuff from ChocZer0, peanut butter cups. I like both varieties of peanut butter cups, and I really like sugar-free syrup. So I'll have that to enjoy for another couple weeks before I got to order more. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and do all that good stuff. Don't be antisocial. And you'll see me in my next video.